Let's talk a little bit about credit score. It's a factor in almost everything we do as adults. That's why I call it our adult report card. But really, what it boils down to is math. It's a math game for creditors, for potential creditors. It's as simple as that. It's all about risk. Are you someone that's going to have credit extended and maybe leave town, maybe not pay your bills, maybe end up owing them some money? Maybe someone will have to chase after. It's all about the risk, and that's why it's there. You can't really influence the outcome by doing a whole lot other than paying your bills and following the rules. Right? That's what we're going to talk about now. Without following the rules, without understanding how the scores are made up, how the algorithms are working, you are really playing darts in the dark and maybe focused on the wrong things. Let's talk for a few minutes about FICO and what makes up the FICO score. Actually, it makes up every score. It's pretty universal. 35% of your credit score is pay history. Are you paying your bills on time? It's a huge factor. This is a non-negotiable. Set up auto pay, at least the minimum payment. Make sure you're never late. And 30% of your credit score is made up based on how you use your revolving credit. Consider that for a minute. I've used this analogy a number of times over the years. If you have one credit card for $1,000 and you have an 800 credit score and you put everything you can on that credit card, if you max it out to $1,000, you know what happens the next month to your credit score? Your credit score will drop 110 points. Sure as I'm sitting here right now, 30% of your score. It's important. It's a huge part of the equation. You need to be on top of that. Paying your credit card down or off in full every month is critical to your score. The next item on our list, 15% of your score, is made up based on the length of credit history. The older the accounts, the better that your score will end up being. This is why you don't close your first credit card. The average age of your accounts matters. Don't mess with this by opening a bunch of new accounts. It doesn't do anything good for you. It doesn't help you. 10% of your score is new credit. Every hard inquiry for a new loan will ding you something, 3 to 5 points in general. Too many in a short period of time looks like maybe you're desperate. And new accounts, you get dinged for those. So you apply for a car, you get credit, you buy the car. Well, your score is going to take a hit from the inquiry. It's also going to take a hit on the new account. It'll take about 6 months to level out from that point. That's how that works. Next on the list, 10% is credit mix. You want us to take a look at things for you? You want a free analysis of your credit? I want you to pick up the phone, grab it. If you're watching this on a phone, swipe out, go to your messages, text the word credit to 702-778-2000, and let me help you today.